In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a waiting list on your Shopify store. Whether you're managing a high-demand product, preparing for a big launch, or you simply want to keep your potential buyers engaged, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to set it up quickly and efficiently. First, open your Shopify dashboard and go to the left-hand menu. Look for the option labeled Apps and click on it. This section is where you can manage your existing apps and explore new ones to add extra functionality to your store. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, in the Apps section, use the search bar and type in Waiting List. Hit Search, and you'll be taken to the Shopify App Store, where you'll find a curated list of third-party apps designed to help you create a waiting list feature. You'll notice that each app has unique features, pricing, and reviews, so take a little time to explore the options. Some apps even offer automated emails or customization features, which can be very helpful depending on how you plan to use your waiting list. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you check whether the app has a free trial or requires an initial purchase, and read the setup instructions carefully. Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent unnecessary issues. Once you're ready, click Install, and after installation, follow the setup prompts. Most apps have intuitive instructions that make the process simple, even if you're new to Shopify. Once you've completed these steps, your Shopify store will now have a fully functional waiting list. This allows your customers to express interest in products, helps manage expectations, and gives you valuable insights into demand. It's also a good idea to explore a few different apps to see which one matches your store's style and your workflow best. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create a waiting list on Shopify easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you manage your high-demand products with ease. If this helped you out, share it with someone who might benefit. Why not make their day easier?